Here they are, guys. They are packaged very well. Move the box out of the way. Oh yeah, I love it. Much better. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new video for you, and today's video is going to be about the mini bikes. And what I'm going to be doing to the mini bikes is I'm going to be replacing the stock front suspension, the forks, and I will be upgrading those. I'm sorry, with a Coleman fork kit. That kit is going to add suspension to the front of the mini bikes. If you guys saw my previous video about adding springs to the bottom of the mini bike seats, that made a big difference on the ride quality. But now I need to start doing something about the front. If you guys remember, last video I showed you, we went camping, my wife and I. We went to a place where it was covered in snow. We rode the mini bikes, and they're a little dirty right now. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm gonna be washing them so I can start working on them. Let me show you what I have going on here. I have the pressure washer ready to go. Everything is hooked up, and both mini bikes over here. They're a little dirty. Before I start working on them, I'm gonna pressure wash them. I'm sorry. Okay, so stay tuned. After this, after the wash, I'm gonna show you what the kit looks like. I'm gonna be unboxing the kit, and I'll show you exactly what it is, and we're gonna work on this together because I haven't done this ever. So I've seen a couple of videos. Doesn't seem that hard. So let's go. All right, guys, here is the box that came from Coleman Power Sports. We're gonna open this thing together and see what this front suspension looks like. Let's open this thing up. Okay. All right, first impressions. Everything seems to be packaged very well. First thing I'm gonna take out of the box is it's gonna be the handlebars. And I'm gonna show this to you right now. Wow, these are really nice. A lot different than the stock ones we have on the minis now. Really nice. Okay, continuing. Next thing is gonna be the fender bracket, if I'm not mistaken here. Let's see, let's get it out of the bag. And yep, that's what this looks like. I'm not sure, well, I'm sure that this is gonna be a replacement for what's on the mini bikes now. We'll see. All right, so let's put it back in the bag. Next thing, let me get this out of the way. Next thing, the assembly instructions here. It says fit models CT200U series, so I'm assuming that this is just for the CT200Us. The part number is FSK200UA, just in case you want to order one from Coleman. This is pretty straightforward. All the instructions are here. Okay. Continuing, get that out of the way. Here they are, guys. They are packaged very well. Move the box out of the way. They are packaged very well. One bolt. Hopefully I have the other bolt there. Oh, there it is. See? because I looked through the plastic film here, and I see that we were missing 2. So that's 1, that's 2. All right, here it is, guys. What do you guys think about this? About these forks? Have you guys put them on? Have you guys put them on your mini bikes? This is the first time for me, for sure. So we'll find out. These are the bolts. They go up here, and they go up here. Everything here seems to be here in one piece. All the hardware is in place. Nothing is missing. It's pretty straightforward, like I mentioned. There's nothing to it. So all that's left to do now is just get the mini bikes in here and start with one, taking one apart, removing the old parts, and putting all this in, and we'll give it a try. I'm excited about this, so stay tuned. All right, guys, as you guys can see, the mini bike is already on the stands. First thing I'm going to do is I will be taking off the twist throttle off. The kill switch is coming off, brake handles coming off, followed by the fender, the wheel, and finally I'm taking off the actual forks here. I'm going to put you on the tripod, and I'm going to speed up the process because this is a little boring. So here we go. Alright, guys, and just like that, everything is off the bike. All the old stuff, it's off, and now it's ready for the new forks to go in, and you're gonna watch me do it. It's gonna be really quick. It's gonna be on time lapse because I think this is gonna be a little boring if I do it in regular time. So here we go. Alright, guys, so the new forks are installed. Everything has been put back together. The last thing I need to do is just put it on the ground, sit on the bike, and adjust the handlebars to where we need them, where we want them at. After that, I will take it for a spin. I'm going to go around the block here, and so we can see what the difference is from stock to this much improved suspension. Let's do that now. Okay, it's ready to go. I'm about to hop on this mini bike and go take it for a run. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me so you guys can see the difference between from stock to the upgraded suspension. Oh, I can tell. I already can tell. There's a big difference now. Not sure if you guys can hear me, but oh yeah, a lot smoother, and this thing absorbs all the potholes and all the holes in the road, the cracks, much better. It's about 2 inches of travel. So yeah, let's go. Trying to get across the street here. Okay, now I am. Okay, there we go. Hopefully you guys can see it. Oh yeah, I love it. Much better. So there it is. You guys saw me riding the bike, and I was able to tell the difference right away. I took it off-roading a little bit right in front of my house, a big park, and yes, the difference is night and day, like I mentioned before. That was a very good choice on upgrading the front suspension. And like you guys saw on the previous video, the rear is done, the springs, now the front suspension. The bike, it's a total different bike now. Now the ride is a lot more enjoyable. Yeah, so it's a win-win. Next thing I'm gonna work on is I'm gonna get rid of the twist throttle, and I'm gonna get thumb throttle. So I think that's gonna be a lot better. I'm not gonna get us tired. That's the plan anyway. I'm gonna give it a shot, see if I like it better. Okay, so I'm gonna be wrapping up, and I'm gonna thank you guys for watching the video, and like, share, subscribe. If you guys want to know anything about this swap here, or anything about the install, just let me know. I can help you with anything you guys have, any questions you guys might have. For now, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.